Hello, Juanita? Oh, you can hear me okay now.
Yeah, how you doing?
Pretty good. I'm getting some echo over there. It sounds like your volume.
From here?
Yeah. Your volume. I think your room volume is really loud. Am I coming through like
You want
really?
me to turn it down? The room volume?
Yeah, like 3 clicks or so. Can you do that?
You know what I think it is? I think it's the heater.
The heater?
Does it sound like that?
No, I'm getting an echo of my voice.
Oh, you get an echo on your voice. Okay. Yeah, because of that, like right above. Right above.
Check 1, 2, 3, 4,
How's that?
5, 6, 7. Still getting an echo. Have you guys
Get an echo?
trained or refreshed?
Huh?
Is Gordon there?
No.
Okay.
But I did turn down the volume. He should be right back.
Is my voice sounding loud enough right now?
Yes.
Okay, maybe you could take it down like 2 more clicks.
Okay.
Check 1, 2, 3, 4. That's better.
How's that?
Yeah, that sounds better.
That sounds better?
Yeah, it's still echoing, but someone's at the door. Hold on.